how often you do the cooking at home? How often? Like so once a week, every day, once in a year, or a few times in a month? Few times a week. Yeah, that's good. What is your favorite? And you know, to cook the spring roll, normally we cook it with the pork. But today, because some people don't take the pork, so we change it to seafood. And you see, we got some prawn and some squid right here. So you can change by chicken or even tofu for those who are vegan. And also we got some well chopped like carrot, spring onions, there is some mushroom, that is the rice noodle vermicelli. And we got some onions, but not for you. And also here we got some, also we got some mint, yeah. And this is, we got some pepper. And you know, in Asia we call chicken stock, yeah. Chicken stock, yeah. And we got some eggs. And you see the eggs, not the glue, we stick it together. But we add only the yellow of the egg, we call the egg yolk. The yellow of the egg, yeah. We call the egg yolk, yeah. So we got some seafood, like some prawn and some squid, yeah. Rice noodle vermicelli, yeah. Mushroom, yeah. So for those mushroom and vermicelli, it's not too dry. So we put it in warm water for 10 minutes, and then you can chop it. Spring onions, mint, mint, yeah. Some carrot. No, it's not garlic. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Yeah, salt and pepper. But only the egg yolk. Only the egg yolk. You see the yellow of the egg. The yellow of the egg. Yeah. The egg yolk. Yeah.
Why not the egg white? Why not the egg white?
Because now if we add too much, when you deep fry in oil, it's like it process. It break the rice paper. Yeah.
Good to know. It's also good to know that vegan spring rolls.
So now you can mix it together. Yeah. The rice paper.
Kidney beans? Kidney beans, you know what I knew? What's wrong with kidney beans? Nah, pick each other.
The rice paper a little bit dry, so you know it's very easy to be broken when it keep rolling. So we have to make a little wet, a little soft by using the wet towel. We put in the wet towel, yeah. And then you can use 1 tablespoon for 1 spring roll. So we can use 1 tablespoon for one. We make the balance first, and then you can roll it twice. 1, 2, and then we fold the cayenne. And then we can keep rolling a little time until the end. And at the end, we're gonna use some egg white, you know, to seal the end of the rice paper. You still use it. Okay, so he's gonna make another sample here. To you know, to fry, you know, we use some the soybean or the peanut oil.